What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making chicken Florentine, and now this is part of our whole chicken breakdown series, so if you haven't seen any of that stuff, go ahead and check that out as well. But for tonight, cheers and let's cook. Before we head to the stove, I got about a quarter cup of flour on a plate here. I'm going to season that with a little salt, like 2 teaspoons of salt, maybe a teaspoon of pepper. Just mix that in. And then we're going to dredge each piece of our chicken through our flour. So now over at the stove, I got my oven heating up to 350 degrees and a nice big pan heating up over medium-high heat. To that pan, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, as well as a tablespoon of butter. We'll let that butter melt. Butter is melted, so I'm going to go in with my chicken. I'm going to be using 2 legs, 2 thighs, and 2 wings for this dish. I'm going to brown both the sides for about 4 minutes per side. They should be nice and golden brown. Both sides of our chicken are nicely browned. I'm just going to transfer those to a sheet tray and go into our oven and cook them until they're at 165 degrees internally. Brought my pan down to medium-low. I'm going to go in with 1 more tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Going in with 2 cloves of garlic sliced. We'll just saute that until it gets nice and soft. That garlic only took a minute. It's getting nice and fragrant. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of flour. Just stir that in. I'm going to turn my heat back to medium-high and go in with about a quarter cup of white wine. Just a nice dry white wine. I like to use Chardonnay. We'll let that alcohol burn off for just a second. Now I'm going to go in with 2/3 of a cup of chicken stock. Stir that in. And a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to season that. Just a little salt, a little pepper, and bring that to a simmer. Our sauce is simmering away, so now I'm going in with 4 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes, as well as half a cup of grated Parmesan. Stir in that cheese. Now I got about 2 cups of spinach. We'll just let that cook down until that spinach is nice and wilted. And look at that beautiful sauce. That is ready to go, so I'm just going to turn the heat off on that. We got a couple more minutes on the chicken. We'll just let this sit. Our chicken just came to temp, and our sauce is still nice and hot, so I'm just going to take that chicken and nestle it right down into that sauce, and we will be ready to serve. We have some beautiful golden brown chicken with nice crispy skin and a delicious sauce. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, check out those other videos that are part of this full chicken breakdown series, as well as many other delicious recipes got posted up there. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And cheers. I'll see you next time.